everybody, this is Ems or I am proud Pinay. So guys, I'm not sure what is this, but I think this is the gift that I bought online for our anniversary, third anniversary. Anniversary, third anniversary. Val Bahuto. So, yeah, I think this is the one. Okay. I choose to get the simple one that we can really use, here in the house, are needed. And to be fair, I got from myself and for himself as well. So it's just all about both of us, right? So this one, it says, Mr. and Mrs. Where there is love, there is life. That's really true. I'll put it here and let's open this. I will not let him see this until it's time. So, shh, don't say anything, okay? So let me see, like I already told him, I have a gift for him and for myself. I didn't show him yet. I'm sure he saw this box, but he didn't see inside of it. Are you ready? Look at that. Should be careful. Wow. This is hard to remove. Missing you now, and it's driving me crazy. Missing you now. Okay, that's why I can't remove because of this. Yep, it's here now. There you are. I like the box, so nice. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is the thing here. Let's see. I'm not getting him. Wow, so nice. Yes, it's a cup for both of us. This is ceramic. Cool. About this. This is part of it. And okay. Same with this. Okay. There you are. There you are. Mr. and Mrs. So this is mine and this is his. And it says here, this is scriptures. In Mr. Love, love is patient, love is kind, it always protects, always trusts. 1 Corinthians 13, 4-7. So it means you can read it in 1 Corinthians chapter 13 and 4-7. Same in the Mrs. like this one. Always hopes, always perseveres. Love never fails. Is that true? Yeah, that's really true. And you can find it as well in 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 7-8. So this is our scriptures. I like to do coffee, so that's why I get this. And let me remove. Let me look. This is a cup. So nice. And there's here. See? I like it. So beautiful. How beautiful. Yep. I got this for him and for myself. Because it's our anniversary. But we have no idea. We have like this too. It's for coffee. Part of the coffee. Okay, and let's look to the misses. This is pretty good. Also, that's how you put it. I see. And they have a holder. Ta! And my dog is barking at me, telling I'm over here. See? It's pretty nice. I love it. Let's put it back because I'm giving it to him. Wait, why do you have a handle? This? Maybe it's for, yeah, it's for this one. So we'll use that later. And we have, this one is like reserve. Yep, this is a reserve. Cool. It's good. Pretty nice. Chang. There you are. And have the big dog is barking. What? Have the big dog. What can I do for you? Let's put it back because I will give him this on June 9. So it's a few days from now. Okay. And then I have more. Let's put this first. Let's put this first. Like that. And put like this here. So you see, we have a holder now. And pull it back. Okay. So this is it, pansit. Tadam! There's a tag over here. Should we remove this? Well, there's two. And we will remove this soon. And I have this also. So we will see. is this? Global warranty and VIP card. Okay guys, so I'm back. Sorry because this dog, see how huge this dog. I know, I'm doing some things here. Move, eesh, ew. Ah, your saliva. Yes, this dog. Yeah, there you are. It's nice. Queen of the kitchen. This is mine. Yep. Absolutely mine. This is what it looks like. They have a my busa, guys, my pocket. There's pocket over here. The name is Queen of the Kitchen. Guess what? Jeez. King of the Kitchen. Like that, right? I'm sure you will like it. They have the boss, the real boss. But I don't really like those because I feel like I'm undering him like that. This one is fair enough, you know. What happened to my hair? Sorry. Yep. There you are. And his is black. Use black. See? Ta-da! King of the kitchen. And the same thing, there's a pocket over here. And also, we can reduce or, you know, the size of it. It's not fit enough. Oh, this is nice. Yep, I like it. Do you think this is good? You can comment below and tell me if you like this video. And of course, if you have any ideas, any gift ideas for anniversary, you can just tell me and I will take a look of your comments so that it gives me more ideas. And don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is Ems, or I am Proud Pinay, and thank you so much for watching this video. And anyway, this one is Bunok-Bunok Surigao. Yep, Bunok-Bunok Surigao. Yeah, this is from Surigao. Fiesta in Surigao. Bye!